goodbye, drifting low beneath the sky. Your gentle touch begins to fade, like echoes love and time had made. The vinyl hums its tender ache, each note a memory we can't remake. The walls still hold our whispered days in fragile, war-worn, nostalgic haze. But now the evening pulls apart what once was held in one soft heart. Saxophone breathes deep, ooh, calling softly back to you. Farewell in the amber hall, where our shadows touch the wall. Even as we say goodbye, love still hums its lullaby. In the glow so soft and clear, I still feel you standing near. Curtains sway in muted gold, stories neither heart can hold. The piano paints our fate in truth, a bittersweet return to you. Your footsteps drift like gentle rain, leaving warmth inside the pain. Yet in the chorus the night sets free. I feel your love still touching me. Every breath a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where echoes lie. Farewell in the amber hall, still your name rests through it all. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Amber fades, but love remains. Garden steps and evenings glow, where fading petals start to slow. A single breath, a tender sigh, goodbye drips where flowers lie. Your shadow blends with gentle shade, where all our whispered dreams were made. The vinyl hums a fragile plea, a song of what we used to be. Your quiet smile begins to wane, soft as dew of twilight's air. I still feel you standing there. Curtains sway through open doors, reflecting love on wooden floors. The piano paints our quiet ache, a truth and I cannot unmake. Your footsteps fade like summer rain, falling soft on old terrain. Yet in each chord the dust sets free. Your gentle warmth returns to me. Every sigh a tender plea, every hum eternity. Though tomorrow steals the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Soft fare along the garden steps, still my heart in twilight rest. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Twilight falls, yet love remains. Evening rain, silver tone. Footsteps pass but feel alone. A trembling sigh, a quiet fall. Goodbye drifting over all. Your fading warmth across my hand replays a past we couldn't plan. The vinyl hums a tender ache, a truth we tried so hard to make. Your shadow moves in amber light, a final dance before the night. The benches breathe our memories through, soft reminders bound to you. Saxophone cries low and blue, sending out its call to you. Echoes beneath the evening red, where our silent hearts exhale. Even as we drift apart, love still shelters in my heart. In the glow so dim and true, I still stand remembering you. Curtains brush the window frame, softly whispering your name. The piano paints a final trace, a trembling warmth on your embrace. Your footsteps fade like dusty breeze, wandering through autumn trees. Yet every chord the night lets free still carries what you were to me. Every sigh a tender plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn reclaims the sky, love remains where Shadows lie, echoes beneath the evening rail. Silver dreams begin to pale. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Night drifts on. Light in golden sway, shadows drift and fade away. A trembling breath, a final sigh. Goodbye blooms beneath the sky. Your gentle reminds me where our love had been. The vinyl spins its quiet aches, soft echoes only hearts can make. Your eyes reflect the evening's glow, a truth we both have come to know. The walls remember every tone, but now they sigh, we walk alone. Saxophone hums low and blue, calling out its plea to you. Goodbye under lantern light, where our hearts once held the night. Even as we turn away, love still knows the words to say in the glow. So warm and pale, every heartbeat tells a tale. Curtains breathe with gentle air, soft reminders linger there. The piano paints our fading tune, floating softly past the moon. Your silhouette begins to blur, like whispered memories of her. Yet in the chords, the night sets free. I feel the love you leave with me. Every note a soft regret, every hum a promise kept. Though tomorrow steals the sky, love still lives where lanterns light. Goodbye under lantern light, shimmering through silver night. Lantern fades, yeah, love remains. Quiet window bathed in gray, dawn arrives to steal the day. A softened breath, a trembling line, goodbye falls where hearts entwine.
Your shadow clings to morning's glow, where gentle winds begin to blow. The vinyl hums a tender ache, a song that daylight cannot break. Your eyes reflect the fading night, a lullaby of silver light. Each quiet tear begins to show the weight of love we used to know.
Saxophone sighs low and blue, whispering its plea to you. Tearful dawn at the quiet window, love still lingers soft and shadowed. Even though the night is gone, your warmth echoes on and on. In the pale and gentle gray, I still whisper that you stay.
Curtains flutter soft and slow, like memories we used to hold.
The piano paints our fragile truth, the bittersweet return to youth. Your footsteps fade like morning rain, soft reflections mixed with pain.
Yet in each chord the dawn sets free. I feel your love surrounding me.
Every note a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the sunrise claims the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Tearful dawn at the quiet window, still your name drifts soft and mellow. When the daylight finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Morning warms, yet love remains. Morning warms, yet love remains. Silver night on quiet ground, shadows moving without sound, a trembling breath, a soft release, farewell carried on the breeze. Your silhouette in fading glow tells the truth we used to know. The vinyl spins a fragile tune, echoes drifting past the moon. Your gentle smile begins to stray. Your saxophone sighs low and blue, reaching softly out to you. Silver midnight farewell, where our memories softly swell. Even as the moments fly, love still hums its lullaby in the glow of tender night. Your heart stays within my sight. Curtains shift in tender sway, soft reminders of our day. The chill of dawn begins to rise, yet warmth still lingers in your eyes. Your footsteps whisper down the hall like quiet tears that slowly fall. But in the chords, the piano weeps. I hear the love the night still keeps. Every note a heartbeat's plea, every breath eternity. Though tomorrow takes the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Silver midnight farewell, underneath the moon's soft spell. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Moonlight fades, but love remains. Over in the quiet night, shadows dancing in the light. A trembling breath, a soft release, goodbye carried by the breeze. Your hand grows distant from my own. In twilight's glow we stand alone. The vinyl hums a tender ache, a song the heart can hardly take. Your eyes reflect a moonlit trace, a gentle loss we must embrace. The wooden floor recalls our days in fading soft nostalgic haze. Saxophone sighs low and blue, calling softly back to you. Shadows leaving the old veranda, love still whispers soft, I remember. Even as the night grows thin, your warm echo lives within. In the glow of midnight air, I still feel you standing there. Curtains breathe a fragile tune, like silver threads beneath the moon. The piano paints our final note, throat. Your footsteps fade in gentle rain, soft reminders wrapped in pain. Yet every chord the night sets free still carries what you meant to me. Every sigh a tender plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Shadows leaving the old veranda, still your name drifts through the amber. The moon, when the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we play. Night drifts on, yet love remains. Yeah. Old iron gate in evening's chill, moonlight resting soft and still, a shaking breath, a final plea. Goodbye drifts in quiet key. Your shadow leans along the stone, a fragile truth we've always known. The vinyl hums a tired refrain, a tender ache wrapped up in rain. Your eyes reflect the muted glow, a warmth that time refused to slow. This narrow path recalls our days, soft echoes held in golden haze. Saxophone sighs low and blue, calling softly out to you. Midnight goodbye by the old iron gate, where two hearts pause beneath their weight. sway, whispering words we couldn't say. The piano paints our final note, hanging warm within my throat. Your footsteps fade like autumn air, leaving traces everywhere. Yet in each chord the night sets free. Your gentle warmth returns to me. Every sigh a quiet plea, every hum eternity. Though the dawn will claim the sky, love remains where shadows lie. Midnight goodbye by the old iron gate. Still your memory resonates. When the morning finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Night grows pale, yet velvet stairs in evening glow, whisper rise from hearts below. A trembling breath, a soft goodbye. Echoes drift across the sky. Your shadow leans beside my own. In quiet hues the night has grown. The vinyl hums its gentle line, a fading warmth we once called mine. Your fingers trace the air so slow, a last embrace in amber glow. The room remembers every day, but now we turn and walk away. Saxophone cries low and blue as memories fall back to you. Echoes on the velvet stair, love still lingers in the air. Even though we say goodbye, your soft voice will never die. In the glow of midnight song, hearts remember holding on. where gentle dreams were softly made. The night repeats our stolen tune beneath a pale, forgiving moon. Your footsteps fade like summer rain, soft reminders of our pain. But in each chord the piano plays, I feel your warmth